Hi everyone. Do you know that our liver is responsible for breaking down carbohydrates, making glucose, and detoxing the body? It also stores nutrients and creates bile, which is necessary to digest and absorb the nutrients in food properly. There are many foods and drinks that a person can consume to help protect the liver. Here is the list of foods that are best and worst for your liver. Several veggies improve liver health, especially broccoli is one of them. This crunchy broccoli protects us from non-alcoholic fatty liver diseases. When broccoli is roasted with garlic and vinegar, it tastes delicious. Make a habit to drink water instead of sweetened drinks and other soft drinks to control the calorie intake. Maintaining healthy weight is very beneficial for healthy liver. Drinking water also keeps you hydrated and also controls the weight. Coffee is very beneficial for health and this can be good news for those who can't stay away from it. Drinking 2 or 3 cups of coffee can control the damage of liver caused due to excess intake of alcohol or unhealthy diet. Some studies also say that intake of coffee can reduce the risk of liver cancer. Too much intake of alcohol can damage liver. Excess intake of alcohol in long run can lead to a liver disease called cirrhosis. Excess intake of sugar and sweets can damage liver as they increase the pressure on liver. Intake of high sugar can also lead to high cholesterol levels in body. In long run, it can also lead to fatty liver diseases. Green tea contains antioxidants called catechins. These catechins protect us from many cancers, especially liver cancer. Freshly made hot green tea contains high amount catechins when compared to other ready-made green teas. Avoid intake of packaged foods like chips and baked items as they are high in salt, sugar and fats which may damage our liver. Go for fresh fruits instead of these junk foods as they are beneficial for our overall health. Intake of fatty food, junk food like french fries and burgers damages liver health. Eating high saturated fat can alter the work of liver and may also lead to inflammation. This can lead to cirrhosis, which is a liver disease. Always choose healthy options before ordering others. Vitamin E present in almonds and other nuts protect our liver by reducing the risk of fatty liver disease. Almonds along with vitamin E also beneficial for heart, also controls the cholesterol levels in our body. Intake of almonds as snack instead of unhealthy snacks is very beneficial. We can also add almonds in different salads. Excess intake of salt or high sodium diet leads to fibrosis. Fibrosis is initial stage of liver scarring. Cutting salt in our regular diet is very essential to avoid liver diseases and by avoiding processed foods, canned veggies, we can control the intake of high sodium in our diet. Fiber-rich foods are very beneficial for our liver. Oatmeal is one of the healthiest food and is great way to kickstart a day. Oatmeal consists of high soluble fiber and it also helps in losing weight, especially belly fat, which is turn avoid liver diseases. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant which is very beneficial for our liver. It is present in green leafy vegetables like spinach. Antioxidants present in spinach not just protect our liver but also helps in speed recovery if it damaged. Blueberries contain nutrients called polyphenols which are very beneficial for liver. These nutrients safeguard liver from non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Polyphenols are also found in the food like dark chocolates, olives and plums. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Top Animates. Hit like, share and comment. Thank you.